Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete invoices in QuickBooks Online. Keeping your invoices organized is essential for accurate bookkeeping, and sometimes you need to remove unwanted entries. First, navigate to the Sales tab on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This section is your hub for all sales-related activities. Next, click on the Invoices tab. Here you'll see a list of all your invoices, including pending, paid, or overdue transactions. As you scroll, notice the checkbox next to each invoice. Tick the boxes for the invoices you want to delete. You can select multiple invoices at once if needed. Once selected, look at the top of the invoice list for the Batch Actions drop-down menu. Click it to reveal available actions, then choose Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Double-check that you want to delete these invoices. Then click Delete again to confirm. And that's it. The selected invoices are removed, keeping your records clean and organized. This process is especially useful for clearing duplicates or correcting errors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QuickBooks Online tips and tutorials.